What's up? It's your boy, Silver Bro, coming at you with another video. Just wanted to go into depth on some of these coins I got. First one we got Britannica, 2024 1 ounce, 999 fine silver. It's a beautiful coin. Gorgeous. And then we got the Sword of Truth. I believe this. This is like a limited edition coin. That's pretty sweet. And then we have just your little Christmas round. Good old Rudolph. And then we have your American Silver Eagle. One of America's favorite coins. $2024. It's a sweet coin. And then we have a special edition silver maple leaf with the monkey emblem. 4 nines. And then we have the dragon maple leaf. Well, it's not maple leaf, but it's a Canadian coin from the Canadian Mint. 4 nines. And then we have from the Scottsdale Mint, Rifleman. I don't know if you guys watched that Rifleman show. It's old school. Only the old people will get that, but I love that show. That fool be lighting fools up. Gorgeous coin. And then we have the Wolf edition with the Wolf emblem, Canadian maple leaf. That's so fucking cool. Yep. And then I have one of my favorites. Got the aliens. You know, they said that aliens are supposed to reveal themselves in 2027. We'll see if it happens. Hope you guys is ready for that shit, because it's kind of... Check this out. This is called the Queen's Beast. This is a sick-ass coin. It's got all the different beasts. I want to get the like the 5 or the 10 ounce one of this. I think it'd be dope. Royal Mint. Sick coin. And then and I got the Trump 2024 5 ounce. Fucking beautiful coin. I love this coin. This coin is sick. There we go. And check this out. This is a gold maple leaf. 1/10 of an ounce of gold. There we go. Gorgeous coin. And then this is a SD bullion 1 ounce. I guess you call this a gold slab. I don't know. Got the 4 nines fine silver 1 ounce. I don't know if you can see that. That's a cool coin. Or cool bar. I guess you call it a bar. This is sick right here. Check this out. This is like a Day of the Dead coin. It's 100 1/100th of an ounce gold. 49 silver. 49 gold. Special edition. Yada. And this is a nice little SD bullion, 1 ounce, troy ounce silver. Got the eagle and the cross. Yay. And then I'm going to do something special here. Now, I think everybody should have put their coins or protect their silver, because you don't want to get it oxidized and stuff, or tarnished. I got this Britannia liver tab. This is a Mexican coin, but these ones are kind of rare. They're pretty expensive. They go like at least like $20 over spot. I picked this one up in the auction, got it a little bit cheaper. But like if you go to SD Bullion, you can't get this for no less than like 70 a coin. So you want to get. I picked these up from. I can't remember where I picked these up at, but you want to get yourself some cases for your coins, just to keep them safe. Take that off. Get this bad boy. I kind of rub them, make sure there's no fingerprints on them. Stick them in this bad boy like so. Bloop. Grab a case. Push that in. And there we go. Protect it. Yeah. But yeah, I think that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys a little in depth of some of these coins. Hopefully you guys get excited and want to start collecting yourself, hopefully. Because don't think of it as spending money. Think of it as converting. Because you're actually converting your dollars into a tangible asset. Like I spend a lot of money on silver, and I don't think of it as spending money. I think of it as converting, changing my fiat dollars to something that's a little more protected. If inflation or if the shit hits the fan and the dollar turns to boo boo, I'm protected. So that's why I think of it. Don't think of it as you're spending money or wasting money. Like when your girl says, or your husband says, you're wasting money on all this bullcrap silver. No, I'm not wasting money. I'm protecting my money. I'm converting money. It's not spending, converting. But that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit in depth of some of this, some of these coins. But yeah, all right. Peace out.